This video is designed to help you position yourself as the expert in your area, the major authority selling the Prettau Zirconia dental implant bridge. When you offer the Prettau Zirconia dental implant bridge in your practice, this gives you a competitive advantage by offering a solution that won't chip, stain, break, or crack and is designed to last a lifetime. It will be key that you and your team get on the same page before the patient arrives in your office. You want to make sure that you have models set aside to review with the patients, pros and cons with stories on all of the different options available to them today. You will also want to get together a folder. You'll want to put before and after photos, patient testimonials, and the options that you feel would both suit their needs and keep them smiling for a lifetime. When a patient comes into your office interested in a full mouth rehabilitation, you want to offer them a series of different prostheses. It's good to set them up with a series of good, better, best. Good would be an overdenture with a few dental implants. The next option may be a hater bar that attaches to a denture still, and then the best option would be the Prettau Zirconia dental implant bridge. The most important information you want to gather from a patient is going to be their wants, needs, and desires. When we talk to a patient about motivators and inhibitors, we know that pain, fear, time, and money are our challenges. Fear is one that you could definitely discuss with a patient very easily and explain to them that you offer different types of sedation in your practice, so you will ensure their comfort throughout the whole procedure. Different motivators that we can use in our offices would be something like the oral systemic connection. When a patient understands that something as simple as gum disease can increase their risk for heart disease or stroke, this will motivate them to follow your instructions and get everything taken care of in a timely manner. Another health concern would be severe bone loss and even disease. We want to make sure our patients understand how important it is to stay proactive with their dental treatments. Money will always be the main topic of conversation. You never want to present fees to a patient without being able to thoroughly air out their objections. One of the main things you need to focus on would be creating value and also quality statements, positioning your doctor as being the authority in your community to do these types of prosthesis. The Prettau Zirconia implant bridge will always be the best option for your patients. Don't be afraid to leverage your competitors against our premium product. You want to explain to them that for a few extra $1,000, they would gain a prosthesis like the Zirconia implant bridge that would never chip, stain, or break. Here are a few tips on how to handle the money conversation. Due to the ethical requirements here in our office, I will be unable to quote you a fee without having doctor's diagnosis. Once I have that diagnosis, I'll be able to sit down and present options to you. Would that be okay? Notice I ended that objection with a question. This will be a really good tool in your toolbox. When you ask a patient a question, you're enrolling them into your beliefs. Another technique I like to use for patient objections would be the feel, felt, found technique. I've had many patients feel the way that you felt, but once they came into our office, met with our team and our doctor, they know this is the dental home for them. Keep in mind, a confused patient will never buy. It will be very important for you to review every step of the process with the patient, show them models, give them stories of previous patients that you've had, explain to them the pros and cons of all of the options available today. Encourage them to go with the fixed zirconia implant option because, as you know, it will be designed to last a lifetime. When a patient doesn't say yes to treatment, you want to find out what the objection is. You want to make sure that all their questions have been answered. First thing you want to offer them is there something we need to discuss? Would you like me to bring the doctor back in the room? Do you have more questions? If the patient says no, I need to speak with my spouse, I want to talk to a friend, I want to go on a second consultation, you want to ask them, would it be okay if I schedule you back in a week to have another consultation with the doctor? Or would it be okay if I call you in a week to see what questions you may have? The technicians at the Teeth Tomorrow Dental Lab are masters in their craft. They are able to make these restorations of the Zirconia implant bridge look beautiful, feel natural, and fit perfectly. The Zirconia implant bridge made by the Teeth Tomorrow Dental Lab is the only one that is backed by multiple studies showing an in-service rate of over 99% success will help your patients feel confident knowing they are choosing the best option available today. If you are looking for a way to generate more new patients who are interested in receiving the best full mouth rehabilitation option, let's set up a discovery call with our team to discuss how we can help your practice market, sell, and simplify the delivery of the Prettau Zirconia implant bridge to increase your overall bottom line.